This is the AMOE component that I'm going to present, which is a component in the MEDINA framework within task 3.4 and working package 3. This AMOE component is situated under the evidence collection tools and is a proof of concept for an NLP-based assessment of organizational evidences. The goals are to reach a semi-automated assessment process for auditors and compliance managers. Semi-automated because the human factor always has to have the last decision on such evidences and such decisions, because currently those tools are not intelligent enough to really make the final decision. The core part is identity extraction or information extraction by looking for relevant evidence parts and identify answers to questions that a pre-trained model will extract. We want also to handle organizational and tech evidences alike, so that the dealing with or handling of organizational evidences becomes more and more alike to how we are currently able to deal with technical evidences. This will lead to a complexity reduction for the audit and speed up the internal and external audit processes. The approach, pretty quick, is threefold. At first, the pre-processing phase will decompose the document so that the machine learning model does not have to go through all the pages, because policy documents or other evidences can be quite big. And to be more efficient and to save computing time, we use a keyword approach to destructure the document into different sections and parts that then the question and answer model can look into. The second part is the application of this question and answering model. It is a pre-trained model called Hugging Face, which we currently advance and train so that we can, for different sections that are fed into the system, ask questions like, how often does a virus scan software update itself? And the model will be able to extract correct answers in the documents if there are any. If no correct answer is in the document, it will also give this result back. The third step then is to look up if target values are given. If target values are given, they are checked, and a compliance proposal for the compliance manager or for the auditor is given if, according to the metric and the target value, this requirement is compliant or non-compliant. But as mentioned before, the final decision is made by the human factor. If no target value is given, this is also played back to the human user with the hint that no target value has been set, and the decision on compliant or non-compliant then also has to be taken by the human. And at any point in time, using the component, the human user is able to forward the current set of results to the orchestrator so that these parts are then fed into the MEDINA certification lifecycle. The live demo that I will show now follows 6 steps. Step 2, that's the reason why I want to show this list, is grayed out here because the background process, the question and answering system, takes quite a lot of time on the current development system because it is not graphically enhanced, meaning there is no GPU doing the machine learning model computation. So we will upload a document and then see that it in the background fetches metrics and requirements and does its work, but we will jump to step 3 and look into extracted evidence results. Okay, so let's